In today's video, we are going to show you how to save messages on Telegram on PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Telegram desktop on your computer, and of course, you want to make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. And then go to the chat where the message is located. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. And then, okay, so you can type in anything that you wanted. For example, I want to scroll down to this specific message that I wanted to save. The easiest and safest way to do it is basically click this arrow forward. Okay. Now the safest and easiest way to do it is the easiest and safest way to save messages on Telegram is by right-clicking on it and click the forward button. Then as you can see, there is an option that says Save Messages. Now, if you do that, you can forward messages here for quick access and basically click that specific blue button, alright? And the message has been forwarded to the Save Messages, which is going to be like a blue ribbon here at the left side area of your dashboard. If you click on it, as you can see, your message has been saved here. Alright? Another option that you can do, go back again to the message that you wanted to save. Alright? All I have to do is this very obvious and basic. Copy the text or message that you wanted. For example, this one, you can highlight. Or you can simply click this and copy post link, or maybe if you want, let's say copy text, it's up to you. And then you can simply go to maybe a notepad or let's say a word pad. It's up to you. All right. For example, we're going to be choosing something like this. It's a word pad, and then you can save that document as a backup file, and then you can attach it later on if you want it. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.